Hey there, everybody. Joe from Wooden Wheels, and welcome back to my channel. I've told you before that I'm going to take you along on the cleaning of my shop. Well, here we go. Let's go because there's a lot that needs to be done. Come join me. This is what I have so far. I have to clean that off. These are still tools that need a home and things like that. All of these nails and screws, zip ties, things like that. Over here, just like you saw me do, I put shelves over here to hold most of this stuff, which that may get altered at some point. This over here, I think I'm gonna make 6 drawers, maybe split it in the middle and do, 3 and 3 there. This middle section here, which does have a drawer, which we have not been able to access until now, just recently. But what I think I'm gonna do is, well, I know I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna cut it here, right here, and here. And then this is going to be where my miter saw sits. So the miter saw is gonna be right there. This section right here is going to move that way. This is all going to get modified, basically, because it's going to be this section, radial arm saw, chop saw, and then this section, so that I will have one long bench and the compressor will have to move. I'm going to redo that, but I need to do some of these things, like the radial arm saw part. That might have to wait a little bit, but I do want to be able to put my miter saw there. What I was getting ready to do, oh, check this guy out. Just landed on my arm. As you can see, it's nighttime out there, and you could probably hear the crickets. As the time lapse was going by, you saw me kind of get to this point, and I stopped. I have to clean all of these off of here. These are all stink bugs that have died. I've already killed several spiders. I don't care about spiders that much, but because I am allergic, they're black widows, brown widows, brown recluse. I don't want to get stung by those. I do keep an EpiPen with me all the time, but I don't want to get stung. So that's where we're at. So let's get back to cleaning. that's all I'm going to do for tonight. As you can see, it's pretty hot out here. I think it says it's 78, but it doesn't feel like it at all, especially not in here in the shop. This is everything that got done. I mounted this. I know that this is not exactly where I want it yet, because like I said, I want to cut here so I can lower it so that this is all even, but I need to be able to use it. Very old gas can. Okay, that was basically cleaning up this first part of the shop. A lot of stuff did just get moved. It's not in its home location yet, but it will be. I don't have a place for everything just yet, so some of it I just had to put wherever I put. In a really quick video of cleaning up this side of the shop and enabling me to move on to a few projects that I need to get done now. So hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe, and join me for the next one.